It is getting warmer out here in the shop, which is why I'm glad I got this mini split unit from Garvee. And so it keeps the room cool, warm during the winter, keeps it cool during the summer. And personally, I don't know, if I'd be able to be out here working right now. I just turned this on. I tried to keep the doors open, get airflow, but simply was not cool enough in here, starting to get warm. And now I just turned on this unit and I already feel the cold air coming out. So it does come with a remote. It also comes with an app that you can use with your smart technology. But you can control the mode, you can control the temperature, the fan, an actual fan moving, and there are some other things on here like a timer and stuff as well. This workshop here is about 1,200 square feet, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. But this thing, the actual dehumidifier here, works really well at cooling this, actual workshop. And there's even an upstairs area where a lot of the hot air goes as well. So overall, definitely happy with the Garvee mini split unit. The other side of the unit is outside, right on the other side of this wall. The installation process took my plumbing guy maybe 2 or 3 hours total. By the time he was, I was wrapping up dinner and it was probably about 8 or 9 o'clock. So probably took him about 2.5 or 3 hours to get it all installed. I didn't want to do it myself because I didn't have the actual pressurizer for the coolant and all that, which is something that I just wasn't really sure how to do. And my guy quoted me a pretty affordable price. I just went ahead and went with him. So overall, really happy I have this unit. I am already feeling the cool flow from the mini split. And if you have a smaller rental unit or you have a smaller home where you're thinking about maybe putting in a mini split unit, this one here from Garvee is really good. They did send it to me as a product that I would film my honest opinion for. And I love how I can control it from the remote or from my smart device. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys. Stay cool during the summer, stay warm during the winter, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.